Hi guys, I am Himanshu from the CMS guys. In this video, I will show you how to create a landing page website in under 5 minutes using WordPress step by step. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified about new videos uploaded every week. Let us look at the website demo before diving in the tutorial. So here you can see that we have a beautiful header over here. On the left side we have a logo, and on the right side we have link to different sections over here. So now at the first here you can see that we have a heading over here with description and a button here, and then we have this image slider over here with different images. Moving to the next section, here you can see like we have a image, and then here we have heading, and then we have description text over here, then we have a button, and on the right side we have this timeline like structure. In the next section here we have list of services with this numbering over here, and then we have a heading and then description over here. Moving to the next section, here you can see this is the portfolio section. Here again on the left side we have some heading text over here, and on the right side we have a description text, and then we have these images over here. When we are hovering over it, it is telling us the project name over here. Moving to the next section, here again we have the skills section where we have this different skills with the percentage value, and on the left we have a heading and description text. In the next, this is the team section where we have the team member images either on left or right, and then on the next column we have their name and then their designation and description text. Moving to the next, this is the pricing section where we have 3 pricing tables over here with different pricing, and then with the features with this tick mark, and the features which is not available with the cross mark over here. In the next, this is the last section which is the contact section where we have the description text over here, and then we have this address, phone number, working hours. Then on the right side we have this contact form with this send button. At the last, this is our footer which is having the email and then phone number, and then we have these different social media links over here. Now let's check whether the website is fully responsive or not. So let me show you the mobile view of it, and here you can see that the entire website is fully responsive. Now let me show you how to build this website in 5 minutes. For this we need to go to our WordPress dashboard. So for that, let me quickly enter my username and password for it. Once you will enter your username and password, then click on login button and you will be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. Now we are going to use a plugin for it, so hover over this plugin section and click on this add new button. Once you will click on it, you will find a search plugin on the right side corner. So search here for all-in-one WP and you will get a bunch of plugins name over here, and the plugin that we are going to use is this all-in-one WP migration by Submask. Click on this install now button to install this plugin, and once the plugin will install, then we are going to activate that plugin. So here you can see currently it is installing. Now we are getting the activate button. Just click on that activate and it will be activated. Once it will activated, you will find on the left side all-in-one WP migration option. Just hover over it and click on import. Now either you can drag and drop the file to import, or you can directly click on this import from and you can select the file name you want to import. Now let me quickly drag and drop the file, and now you can see that it is preparing for import, and then it will ask you for a pop-up like this, like the process will overwrite our website files, database, media, plugins and all. So the only thing that you have to do over here is click on this proceed button and you are good to go. We also have a companion video for this website that is around 2 hours long, which will teach you to build this website from scratch without using the file. You can save your time to build the website using the template we showed you in this video. You can get this template from the link given in description. For our existing course members, there are 20 plus ready to use templates curated by our team available under the template section on the course dashboard. Feel free to use any of them for your future projects and get your website ready in under 10 minutes. Now you can see that our site has been imported successfully. So now let's click on this finish button and let's view the website. So here you can see our website is imported and ready to be used. Now let me show you the mobile view also, and you can see the mobile view of the website is also working fine. Hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.